Didn't Derrick say we had some?
So that's the bird that makes that noise. Should grab the tripod, it's by the fireplace.
It's a woodpecker attacking Dwayne's house.
I hear.
Well, it's the bird that makes this weird sound. That's okay. No, I'm going to
This is fun to watch. Oh, it's Dwayne's house too. It's an actual woodpecker. 3, he's just smacking his face against the house.
Probably full of carpenter bees.
What?
He's probably full of carpenter bees.
Is that why he's going after it?
Yeah, well they tunnel in the wood.
How does that not wake you up? Oh, it used to drive me crazy in New York. I would take the screen off the window and stick my head out and look at him and go, hey. He'd go, and look at me. Because we had the big one.
Quite
The big
pretty.
one. Yeah. People that lived there before us had that, it's like a big...
Probably straight from the paw.
Like a grill grate, and they put...
Do you ever go outside? Of course I do. I don't think these windows clean themselves.
Oh,